How much do you love your car? Is it just a way to get around or an extension of who you are? Either way, we can all agree that our cars deserve the best. That's why we've created the ultimate list of car gadgets, the top 16, to make you love your ride even more. From safety gadgets like a breathalyzer and ring car cam, to convenient accessories like a car trash can and seat gap filler, this list has everything you need. So take a cup of your favorite beverage, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video as we take your ride to the next level with the top 16 car gadgets. I was never able to find a car freshener that could keep my car smelling fresh for more than 2 days until now. The Ceeniu Smart Car Air Freshener is a device that can keep your car smelling fresh and inviting for a long time. It comes with a 45 milliliter long-lasting car freshener for men and an AI car diffuser, so you can choose the perfect scent for your mood and preferences. You can choose from a range of fragrances using the easy-to-use AI control panel. This smart air freshener is also portable and chargeable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. We all struggle to clean windshields from the inside, but with this gadget, you can easily clean your car windows without any hassle. This cleaning tool comes with 2 washable and reusable cloth pad heads, an extendable handle, and a spray bottle for auto glass wipers. The windshield cleaning tool has an extendable aluminum handle with a pivoting 180-degree triangular swivel head made of high-quality plastic material. The windshield cleaner is made to last, and it has an ergonomic handle that makes it easy to reach window bases that are hard to get to. With a gadget like this, your windshield will shine again. Do you find yourself struggling to keep your drinks and snacks in order while driving? Well, buckle up and get ready for the Car Cup Expander with a tray. This little gadget is packed with features that make driving a breeze. With a 360-degree rotatable tray, you can adjust it to the most convenient and comfortable position for you. And with its anti-shaking spring plate and U-shaped groove, this cup holder is designed to hold both large and small water bottles, as well as mugs with handles without any wobbling or tipping. Plus, the tray is perfect for storing all your essentials like your phone, keys, and even makeup. It's like having a mini table in your car. And when you're done with it, simply remove it and store it away until next time. Ring Car Cam is a dual-facing dashboard security camera with safety features designed for your car, whether you're parked or on the go. Car Cam's built-in sensors and advanced motion detection can sense movement in and around your car, send alerts in real time, and record incidents on the road. It connects to your vehicle's OBD2 port and is powered by the car's battery. CarCam has a power management system that will turn itself off in advance of ever depleting the car's battery. For safety, only use CarCam in vehicles where the OBD2 port is located to the left of the driver's side dash. Ring's CarCam combines a security camera, car tracker, and dash cam into a sleek, all-in-one gadget. This device provides you with a live video feed of your car's interior or exterior over the internet. If you're someone who's always on the go and needs to stay connected, the Car Power Inverter DC to AC might just be the solution you've been looking for. This handy device allows you to plug in any device that requires AC power while you're on the road, from laptops and tablets to small appliances like electric shavers or coffee makers. With its easy-to-use design, you can simply plug it into your car's DC outlet and you're good to go. It's perfect for long road trips, camping adventures, or just those moments when you need to stay connected while you're out and about. The AstroAI Tire Inflator is a must-have tool for anyone who wants to keep their tires in top condition. Whether you're a frequent road tripper or just want to make sure your daily commute is as safe and comfortable as possible, this tire inflator can help. Its compact and portable design means you can take it with you wherever you go. So say goodbye to surprise flat tires because you'll be ready for anything. The inflator is also incredibly easy to use, with a simple interface and clear digital display that let you set your desired tire pressure with ease. And with its powerful motor, it can inflate your tires quickly and efficiently. The HOTOR Car Trash Can is a multifunctional car organizer for storage and trash. It serves both as a car organizer and storage helper. It will largely save space in your car for car stuff such as books, pads, and other important documents, as well as leftover snacks, drinks, and other waste produced during your drive. Together with the large capacity and opening design, the HOTOR Trash Can allows you to get more in place with easier access than other small trash cans. As a garbage can, it can help you collect leftover foods such as breadcrumbs, drinks, and spills in your car, keeping it dry, tidy, and clean throughout the drive. With its foldable design, this car gadget is ideal for storage on the backs of headrests, consoles, and floors of cars. VICSEED Universal Phone Mount is a multifunctional phone holder that can be mounted on the dashboard, windshield, or air vent. It has an upgraded, super strong, sticky suction cup and a two-step lock mechanism that provides extremely strong suction power. The VICSEED car phone holder mount has a sleek and unobtrusive style, and at 30% smaller than other phone holders for cars, it won't block airflows or the view of the road. It works great for all vehicles that have horizontal or vertical air vents. The clamp arms and foot have a thick, soft silicone pad, which ensures that your phone stays securely in place without scratching your device. I don't support drinking and driving, but let's face it, sometimes we might have a drink or two and wonder if we're okay to drive. That's where the BACtrack C6 Keychain Breathalyzer comes in, providing a quick and reliable way to measure your blood alcohol content before getting behind the wheel. With its compact and portable design, you can easily take it with you wherever you go. And with its accurate and reliable readings, you can trust it to give you an honest assessment of your blood alcohol level. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use. Just blow into the mouthpiece and you'll have your results in seconds. Whether you're out with friends, at a party, or just enjoying a drink at home, the Breathalyzer is a fun and useful way to stay safe and responsible. No one likes a dirty car interior, but sometimes it feels impossible to keep it clean. The AstroAI Car Vacuum is a powerful and efficient cleaning tool that makes keeping your car clean a breeze. With its 106-watt motor and high-speed fan blade, it can quickly and easily suck up dirt, debris, and even pet hair from the seats and floors of your car. The vacuum comes with 3 different nozzles to tackle different cleaning tasks, including a brush nozzle for removing stubborn dirt, a crevice nozzle for getting into tight spaces, and an extension hose for reaching under seats and into corners. Plus, its washable HEPA filter ensures that the air you breathe in your car is clean and free from dust and allergens. The portable vehicle support handle is an innovative car door assist bar that provides extra support when getting in and out of your vehicle. It's perfect for seniors, people with mobility issues, pregnant women, or anyone who needs a little extra help. The handle is made of high-quality materials and can support up to 300 pounds. It's easy to install and fits any vehicle with a door hook. The auto assist handle is 6.5 inches long and 1.5 inches wide. It comes in a few colors and is designed to blend in with your car's interior. A car seat gap filler is a must-have accessory for anyone who spends a lot of time in their car. It's designed to fill the gap between your car's center console and your seat, preventing small items like phones, keys, coins, and food from falling into the gap. The gap fillers come in different shapes and sizes to fit different cars. They are easy to install and remove when needed. The Emergency Keychain Car Escape Tool is a compact safety device that can help you escape from your car in an emergency situation. It's designed to be attached to your keychain, so it's always within reach when you need it. The tool has 2 main features, a seatbelt cutter and a window breaker. The seatbelt cutter can quickly cut through a jammed seatbelt, while the window breaker can shatter car windows in case of an emergency. This tool is effective only against the clear and tinted tempered glass. It does not work on laminated glass. The interior car lights are the perfect way to bring some vibe to your ride. Not only do they add a splash of color and style to your car's interior, but they also come with a remote control that puts the power in your hands. Choose from a wide range of colors and adjust the brightness to fit your mood. And if you really want to impress your passengers, sync the lights with your music for an epic light show. The installation process is super simple. Just attach them under your dashboard and plug them into your car's cigarette lighter. Plus, with the 12-volt, 2-amp car charger, you won't have to worry about draining your car's battery. It's the perfect way to add some fun and personality to your ride. This device can help you diagnose car problems before they become serious. It's designed to be plugged into your car's OBD2 port, which is located under the driver's side dashboard and can communicate with your smartphone via Bluetooth. The VICSEED app will then provide you with real-time information about your car's health, including any issues that need to be addressed. The VICSEED scanner is compatible with most cars built after 1996. Car cleaning gel is a sticky, flubber-like substance that can be placed on any area that has dust or dirt. After waiting a few seconds, it can be peeled off along with all the dirt and contaminants that made their way onto your dashboard. It's an effective way to clean your car's interior, as it removes dirt, dust, and grease from the surfaces. It also neutralizes unpleasant smells that can be caused by the accumulation of these materials. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos of various tech and gadget reviews. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.